Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about Yellowstone National Park, America's oldest and most mysterious park. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is Yellowstone National Park located only in Wyoming? No, it extends into Montana and Idaho as well. Was Yellowstone established in 1901? No, it was established on March 1st, 1872. Is Old Faithful a famous mountain in Yellowstone? No, it's a famous geyser that erupts regularly. Does Yellowstone contain more than half of the world's geysers? Yes, it has over 500 geysers, making up more than half of the world's total. Is a Grand Prismatic Spring known for its clear blue water? No, it's known for its vibrant colors caused by heat-loving bacteria. Can visitors see grizzly bears and bison in Yellowstone? Yes. The park is home to diverse wildlife, including grizzly bears and bison. Is Yellowstone built on a massive supervolcano? Yes, the Yellowstone caldera is one of the largest supervolcanoes on Earth. Does the geothermal activity at Yellowstone indicate an imminent eruption? No. Scientists believe another eruption is unlikely in the near future. Is Yellowstone the largest national park in the United States? No. While it's vast, it's not the largest national park. Was Yellowstone created to protect only the wildlife? No. It was created to protect the natural beauty, wildlife, and geothermal features. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.